Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the profile section on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application. Now you are on the discover page. So as you see here, you can go to these three lines up here, click on it. Then here you will find the profile on the list. Now as you see, you can edit your profile, you can share your profile. You can here find the replies in the media, the videos, the likes, all of this. So that's it. That's how to find your profile section on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.